Hey everyone, if your microphone isn't working or is blocked in Google Meet, don't worry. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Log in with your Google account if you haven't already. Now, once you're on the Meet homepage, click on your browser's settings. In most browsers like Chrome or Edge, you'll find this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. Inside the settings page, use the search bar at the top and type microphone. This will take you straight to the sound or privacy section where your mic settings are located. Here, make sure your microphone is turned on and the correct input device is selected, especially if you have multiple mics or headsets connected. Sometimes the browser picks the wrong one by default. Next, scroll down to the list of websites and check that Google Meet is allowed to use your microphone. If it's blocked, simply click the drop down and select Allow. Once you've confirmed all that, go back to Google Meet, refresh the page, and rejoin your meeting. If it still doesn't work, try disconnecting and reconnecting your microphone or restarting your browser. That usually fixes any leftover issues. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working perfectly on Google Meet. If this guide helped you out, make sure to drop a like and share it with someone facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.